Anjuji, with all hearts and dedication, has been an artist since over 20 years. She proudly nurtures her brand, Trendy Wraps, that is a mirror to her personality, vibrant, gracious, and full of life. The gifting and packaging for various occasions using balloons, trays, photo frames, and flowers are identical to her ways and her way of life. Service before self. Mrs. Anju has narrowed her line of business with trendy wraps now to festive and wedding hampers and gifting, but she has always enjoyed painting, crafting, making albums, decoupage, and much more. She loves to travel and explore the world and maybe take trendy wraps to places. So personally, I have been to her new studio. It, वहाँ पे जब मैं प्रोडक्ट देखने गया मतलब काफी सारे रेंज था वहाँ पे अवेलेबल द अमेजिंग पार्ट वाज फॉर एवरी प्रोडक्ट शी हैज अ स्टोरी टू टेल तो आप अगली बार जब R2B के लिए जाए ना प्लीज टाइम लेके जाना वो 1 घंटे में कुछ भी नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज हर प्रोडक्ट के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी कहानी है बहुत बड़ी ठीक है एंड आई वुड लाइक कि सब लोग जाएं और जरूर देखें
That is where customization comes in.
Yes, yes.
Vande Mataram Pragati.
Vande Mataram.
So today I'm going to tell you about my business. Like it's a child also. Like throughout the day I'm thinking about it. Apart from the household things, so all my heart is into trendy wraps. So I'll be just telling you what we do. This is my team, myself, Manju Gupta, and my daughter-in-law Arsha, who helps me in all the things. So this is like about myself. And like, so I want to ask you, like, if you want to gift something to your friend or family, so what gift will you choose? So is it you think of the money or the amount first, or you think of your feeling first? So like, how do you choose the gift?
Feeling
And the presentation.
Yeah. Okay. And so like, that is a common thing. Some people come to me, they have a price range. They say कि हाँ एक किसी का birthday आ रहा है, but this is my price range. You show me something that fits into my budget. So okay with that. And otherwise, some people are there कि हमें बहुत सुंदर सा कुछ देना है, price no matter. So you suggest me what we can give because family में दे रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे एक आप gold की गिन्नी में दे दोगे, 10 lakh rupees भी दे दोगे तो that doesn't carry that much importance. But there is where customization comes in. So we want to just wrap their gift in such a way with love so that जिनको वो दे रहे हैं जब अपने ब्रदर को अपने हस्बैंड को वहाँ वो एक इनकी फीलिंग ट्रांसमिट हो रही है उनको कि आपको हमने बहुत आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जाके वी सिलेक्टेड योर गिफ्ट वी गॉट इट कस्टमाइज्ड विद द नेम एंड एवरीथिंग एंड विद दैट पीपल कम टू नो like you really care about them, the money is not involved. Even that gift can be for 100 rupees or maybe of 10,000, 5,000, depending upon the client's need. So at Trendy Wraps, okay. So at Trendy Wraps, we offer personalized, premium, and delightful gifting options and much more. So because in my racks or in my showroom, I have all the gifts which you would want to put in a hamper. So maybe the decorative home decor products or personal use products, even for the men and women, and even for the gift hampers as giveaways. You want to give gift hampers on engagements. You have an anniversary function at your home, so you want to give something to all your relatives and everybody who comes in. So there is where we come in and we suggest you the best of the options according to your price range. So we are doing the gift wrapping and the gifts for every occasion like the birthdays, anniversaries, the baby shower. We do the trousseau packing for the wedding. We even do the wedding invites. We make your tray for the wedding invite. You just get your card printed and put it in the tray. The rest, everything we do from procuring the sweets for you. If you want us to pick the sweets from Haldiram's, we'll do it. We'll wrap the box in a different way, add a touch to it of ours, and then we put it in the hamper. So proposals, engagements, Valentine's, and every festival that comes in every month. In India, every month is a festival. Like Lodi is coming in, the New Year is coming in. Housewarming functions, we do the gifts and everything. And the festivals, the corporate return gifts. Even for housewarming, I would talk. अगर आपका एक हाउस वार्मिंग फंक्शन है, यू मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस एंड यू कॉल योर गेस्ट्स ओवर, बट एट दैट टाइम आपका घर बहुत बहुत beautifully done है, but even then we can add value to it. I give like customized keep things like जैसे आपके lanterns हो गए beautifully decorated with flowers, and then you can keep in the corners so that when everybody enters, so they get a feeling, the love that resonates. So these are few of my hampers that we do for the birthdays. So the pictures speak for themselves, like whether you want to gift wine or it's a baby birthday hamper or something. So these are some of the gifts that we've done for anniversary. So that I've put my own picture because I couldn't use anybody else's picture. So these are the hampers that we do. Even if it's a birthday or an anniversary, you tell us to gift somebody ki like aapki taraf se, we can get it delivered to the right person. We can get the delivery part also done for you. अगर आपको 500 का 1000 का gift देना है, so we do it in that range. We can customize it for you. So that was for a Valentine's. So these are the general hampers. आपने किसी के घर किसी occasion attend करने जाना है, or you're going just for a dinner, so you want to take something, so we can suggest you things for that also. So this is the trousseau packing, the engagement trays we do, and in the wedding people have to gift for like the relatives. Daughter की wedding है तो उसके in-laws के लिए सारे gifts सबके pack होके जाएंगे. At the functions also. So we do all that for the men and women and everybody. These are the engagement platters that we generally make. There are many more to it, but these are just a few. So baby shower gifts, baby announcement, आपके घर एक baby boy, baby girl, वो ये तो so we'll intimate everybody by making your gift reach them. So these are few of our housewarming gifts, and see we use these gifts like according to different occasions also. जैसे अभी हमारा marble वाला gift है, ये couple जिन्हें दिवाली पे बहुत gift किया है, and everybody loved it. So there are different home decor gifts which once you give to anybody, so they'll keep it for the lifetime. जो कि otherwise generally people have this habit कि अच्छा कुछ आया ये already बहुत है, we can gift it to somebody else. They don't want to use it कि already बहुत सामान पड़ा है घर पे. But if you are giving a beautiful gift, they'll obviously take out a place and they'll change the old thing, and home decor का आपका gift replace होके आपका उनका permanent home decor का part बनेगा. So that is where the value adds. So that is only possible if you get the customizations done. So these are for different various festivals, the Holi, Diwali, and then this is for the Teej, Lodi, and all. We have it for every occasion. So this is the corporate gifting. So like the hampers, the giveaways, and even the products. We even do the sweets and all. We can procure them from Haldiram's and Bengali or whatever. So these are the testimonials from few of my clients who've got the works done from me. And these are all the clients who I work with regularly. So, Haldiram's is like, I'm not giving my hampers to Haldiram's, but one of the persons who's having 4 branches, he's a CNF agent for Haldiram's.
Okay.
So he's having 4 branches. Almost 1/4 Delhi उनके पास नहीं है, 3/4 Delhi के सारे godowns Haldiram's के he is handling. So we did his silver jubilee का function, and अब तो उसके बाद उनका जो भी function होता है, और they were as good as 350 hampers I did for him. उसके बाद उनका कुछ भी छोटा सा भी होता है तो आनंद जी का कॉल आ जाता है कि ये चीज़ आ रही है अंजू जी आप मेरे कर दो, और पहले की तरह अपने आप सोच के कर देना, बस मुझे अमाउंट बता दो कि मतलब क्या है. मतलब तो हल्दीराम्स का है, and then all these they are my regular clients, others. So my give is Dr. Nilesh Goyal, he is a physician in East Delhi near my house. Dr. Akhil Bhargav, he is an orthopedic surgeon in Krishnanagar. And Nilesh, that's my brother. He is the owner at Delia's Tools. And my ask is, if anybody can connect me to manufacturers who deal in white metal items in Moradabad or anywhere in Delhi and around anywhere, because I need to buy those things and then do it for my thing. So any wedding planners, event organizers, and then you can refer us to your family and friends who are having a wedding or a baby in the family or something. Any function coming up, even for regular birthdays and anniversaries, you can contact me so I can get your gifts delivered. And the last thing, just follow us on Instagram so that you know what I'm doing throughout the year.